Hi, and welcome back to Rainey Dewey's Art Spot. This is the next in my Sketchbook Masterpiece series. Actually, it's number 3, the big number 3. Today's exercise, I'm going to be doing a drawing. It's not going to be a drawing and a watercolor over the top, just a drawing, start to finish. I'm working on a chickadee. My photo reference is here. It was a photograph taken of a chickadee out the window. We were feeding the birds, and the feeder was set up in such a way that the birds came pretty close. So that's a good way to get some photo reference of your own. So I'm using that and for my photo reference, and then the surface I'm going to be drawing on, or have already drawn on because this intro is being done after the fact, is the Strathmore Visual Journal. It's a Bristol smooth. It's a really nice surface. It's 100-pound paper, so it's substantial. It's acid-free, so if you do a really good sketch in your sketchbook, you can always pull it out and frame it, and it will hold up over the test of time because it's acid-free. When I do pencil sketches, I start with a quick line drawing. You'll see I'm going to give you commentary banners on certain parts of the video as I let you watch it. This whole sketch took me probably about 2 hours to do, and I've condensed it into less than 5-minute video. So I've cut out a lot of things that probably aren't that interesting to watch, even if they're in time lapse. So let me get out of the way, grab your sketchbook, get your pencils, follow along, or just sit back and watch. Thanks for joining me.